downloading.
Hi, would you like to tell us about yourself and your project?
Sure. My name's Chad Cooper. I'm with the Center for Advanced Spatial Technologies at the University of Arkansas in Fayetteville, and I'm a GIS guy that knows just enough Python to be dangerous. And so spatial data formats really, aren't that big of an issue for me. I mean, all those, literally there's hundreds of them. And so we can use Python to manipulate those and get at the attributes and things like that. But for somebody that doesn't know much about the spatial data formats, it can be really confusing. They might not know how to access them or what they can even do with them or what they even mean. And so I'm kind of giving a 10,000-foot overview here of just a very small sampling of the spatial data formats that are out there and some of the more popular ones that you're going to see, and some of the geodatabase formats, and what they kind of mean and what you need to look for in them, and then some of the solutions that you have for working with those. And a lot of these are open source libraries that we commonly use. Some of them have command line interfaces, but pretty much all these here you can get to with Python. And you can use them to manipulate the geometries, translate the geometries into different formats, and pull out the data that you need, or you can actually use it to write. So if you actually have spatial data and coordinates and you need to write it into a certain format, you can use several of these libraries to do things like that. So,
thank you.
thanks.